Hello guys, it's me, Little Wolf, and today we're gonna play some more. We're going to daycare. I don't want to go to daycare. I'm 8 years old, but my mom said I have to. So no, why am I? Wait, what's happening? Wait. Oh, I'm spamming the button and it's not working. Do you really want me to rapid fire on both accounts? I just bought. I joined the group. I also bought dogs to me. I bought some dogs. Also, if you're wondering what computer I use to make these videos, I'm using my mom's computer, and this is a Windows 7. Okay, let's go hop in the game. Get in. If I didn't know about Powtown, I would be not talking right now. Hopefully I'm actually recording my screen and not the thing on Powtown. Because I am, that would be horrible. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. I just oofed. I just oofed. What just happened? I think I just oofed. Okay, I don't care. It's a game. So I joined the group. I got a tiger. That brought me. But you're not seeing it right now because the game because it has a load. Oh my god! What the heck? What the heck is it? What is happening to my microphone? I'm using a mic that makes my wolves turn into actual. It's like a translator microphone because every time I talk, it's gonna keep on saying wolf. So this microphone made me not say wolf in my videos. That's why hearing you sounding like an actual human. Oh my god! This microphone. I mean, look. Hello, Lily. You know what? This microphone is really getting on my nerves. Let's just play. Okay, let's go inside. Why? Why would we want to go inside of this dang house? Bro, it was so small in the outside, but it's big in there. Okay, tell me how that works. Tell me how that works. I don't know. Get coins? I mean, as soon as I got a game, just bought these stuff. So my older brother played this and got me the toys and joined my group, but I haven't played it before. Whoa, this is a cool place. Hey, stay on the girl side, don't come to the boy side. Cause the boy side is the cool side, and the cool side is the good side. But I'm not gonna let my volume go up because I don't want to get any copyrighted music. I don't know if there is. I don't have 50 Robux. That's like two. Where's my photos? Oh, this is Hedgehog Rally. Okay, just guys seem hungry. Of course we seem hungry. We just got here from the bus, but took us so long. And it's also literally looks like nighttime. We want to eat. I'm ready for pizza. Wait, no, I like cheeseburgers more than pizza because it's more cheesier. I know you're an Xbox player. I was on. I have an Xbox One, and that's what you look like on the Xbox. Does any of y'all just speak? No, there's only 4 people here. Why the we need a furry crew? So do we need a little crew? Do you need a furry? I mean, Wolfie's my real name, but people just call me Little Wolf, and I just stuck with that. Yay! Okay, we can stay up. Here you go, kids. Wait, no. Wait, don't. Oh, we get our food. Yay, burgers. Actually got burgers. Burgers, burgers, burgers. My brother, when I'm about to play this game, when I was about to record, my brother said, if you get food, save it, because you might need, cause you need it. But he said it would have healed you. I don't know what he meant by that. Ooh, I wanna make it appear. Yeah, made it appear. Woohoo, woohoo. Okay, okay, I'm gonna stop talking so much. Play. Yeah, I say yeah. I think I don't want to be a YouTuber that talks too much, but you have to usually do that to get like comedy in there. Have to talk a lot. Guys, hopefully I'm recording right now because I'm on not recording screen. I swear, I I don't want to do this whole entire thing over because my brother said it'd take like I don't know 15 minutes. I don't know. You have to remember. Hopefully I don't die because I don't want to start this all over. Because my brother said we can die. Same. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! 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 Nope! 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 I'm gonna get out of place. Nope! 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 Lily! Where are you going, Lily? It's dark, and you're just going to take. You're not even gonna let someone guard us. Okay, no, it's time to get out of here. No, I'm going upstairs. It's probably just the electric turn off. Oh my god. What is that? What's in my window? Oh my gosh. What was that? It was a white monster run. What? Monster! Oh no! Oh no! What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Oh frick! No! 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 Ah! My brother showed me when showed me how to watch out for the things to show that when they're coming. Oh no! How we got hit yet? Okay, wait. Where's he? He's upstairs. He's upstairs. Oh no! Run! Run! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Catch me if you can. I'm fast as crap. I'm fast as crap. I'm fast as crap, boy. I'm fast as crap. Come on, everyone here. Everyone here. Don't worry, I'm fast as crap, boy. No, 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 no. I'm fast as crap, boy. I'm fast as crap, boy. See you later, boy. I'm fast as crap, boy. Wait, 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 wait. I'm fast as crap, boy. I'm fast as crap, boy. Fast as crap, boy. I'm fast as crap, boy. I don't know why I'm staying downstairs. There's a monster here. Here you go. Everyone almost literally died. Literally almost everyone got hit except for me in 2021 Equin. Hey, there was a monster attacking us. What monster? Haha. Stop being silly. We're not being silly. Lily. What's your now? Where are you at? And I'm gonna go. Uh. Hit you with my baseball bat. Yes, that's what I do. Really? You said like minutes ago I could stay up. So why are you telling us to go to sleep? That's my question. When I wake up, I'm going straight to the door to get out of this place. Yeah, because I don't want to be here anymore. I don't want to be here anymore. I mm, yeah. Oh my, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nope, 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 nope. Go downstairs. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I am out. I am out of here. The doors are locked. Dang! The monster. What? We need to get out of here. We can't get out. I saw it too. Yeah, let's just. Oh, so it's just some explosions. That's what my brother says. That's how you know that the monster's going to spawn there. Teleport, because he's like a teleport. God. Come on, children. Lily, where are you at? Oh, you there. I'm ready to summon my face with a tiger. Gosh. I'm gonna whack you with a wait, what, what, what is that a tube? I'm gonna smack you. I wanna smack you in the face right now. Camera. Why am I keep on going to the seat? God, so much for I mean, pancakes. I don't want pancakes. I want to get out of here. Ooh, I love it. I mean, I do like pancakes, but at the same time, I want to get out of here. So, I don't want to eat pancakes, even though I'm very starving. So let's get one bite of it. Because I do love pancakes. And one bite it is, and one hook. You know what time it is? Get out of this house and never come back here. Playtime? No, it's time to get out of this house and never come back. Get out now. Play with your friends. Yes, we can go outside. We can get out of here. We're free! Oh, come on! Now she put a force field here? Are you serious right now? I just want to get out of here. But no, she had to put a force field. Oh my god. I don't know this. I'm gonna go kick the ball. This is such a big ball. Such a big. Oh no, 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 no. I'm gonna get kicked out of YouTube. No, never mind. Never mind. Don't even think about the memes. Because I will get disqualified on YouTube if I do that again. I didn't know what I was saying. I'm gonna say nothing. Oh, come on! Stop leaving! What do you mean zero I can't read your name because you put Ram in this in your name and not just something that you know. Hedgehog one, I think trousers. Okay? Yeah, because I'm 8 years old and you're like 6. Oh, and I'm just guessing people age now. I mean, you look like a pro. I mean, not just 6. I'm the one who got a bunch of stuff on me. I got my limited edition. Well, I have a limited edition Galaxy shirt. But I also have a National shirt. I got it from 2019 when I had Robux. I still have Robux. I only have two. It's happening. Oh no, my my brother says there's gonna be a fire with his card. How much me? I don't know. Must be a fire. I don't know. We're probably gonna die. So I think we're gonna die in this part. Gosh, hopefully we don't. No. I wish this part never existed because then it's spread the water, get all that stuff. And but I'm gonna go in first person so it'll be easier to do it because it's easier like that. You know what I'm saying? Come over here! Oh no, we're gonna die. It's a fire extinguisher. In real life, I don't even know how to use it. How are we almost dead? Oh no, I'm pressing E, not W. Okay. Don't worry, I'll get it out. I'm fast. We do that one. No, we have 21 seconds. We can do this. Just need to aim here. Oh, do this one! Yeah, we did it. Put me this squish! Oh my god. I hate this. What the heck was rocking with my mouse? Why is my mouse not working? Mouse, work!